What are you telling me? Do you want to be king? Do you want to be king of the farm? I think he does. Oh, nice! Could you ask for any further? Alright, can you get him with Creed? Hopefully it will adjust.
Good boy.